Is your iPhone notification sounds not working after the iOS 17 update? Hey there, this is Akash and welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone notification sounds stopped working after the recent update on any iOS devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Before you get into the main process, make sure that your iPhone is not in silent mode. If it is, turn off the silent mode, and the next thing, go ahead and swipe down from the top and make sure the do not disturb mode is not turned on, and also make sure to turn up the low power mode. After checking out these quick settings, if you see that you are still having the notification sounds issue, then the first solution would be taking up your notification sound settings. Now to do that, go ahead and open up your settings from your iPhone, scroll down and tap on notification, and scroll all the way down and find out the application that you might not getting the sound with. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on Facebook, and once you're here, make sure the notification is turned on, and also make sure the sounds should be toggled on. If it's turned off, make sure to turn this option on and get back from here and find out your expected application that you are not getting the notification sounds with. So just go ahead and check one by one and make sure to enable the sound from the notification. And after doing this process, go ahead and check your issue. Hopefully this will resolve the problem. But if you're still not getting the sound, this process didn't work for you, then the next thing that I also recommend you to restart or turn off and turn on your iPhone. Now to do that, you can open up your settings once again, scroll down, tap on general, scroll all the way down, tap on shutdown, and you can slide to power off, and after that power on your iPhone and see that it's gonna fix your problem or not. If you see that you are still having the problem, then the last and final things that you have to do, go ahead and open up settings from your iPhone, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings, enter your password, but make sure resetting all settings will delete all of your customized settings and back to the default values. Make sure to remember your Wi-Fi and others password or any other customized settings that you have changed. And after that, go ahead and tap on reset all settings again. And hopefully your problem is going to be solved. So guys, this is how you can fix your iPhone notification sounds not working after iOS 17 update.